In this video, you'll learn how to set up the Phantom wallet on your mobile device. By following these steps, you will successfully create your wallet and be ready to manage your cryptocurrencies efficiently. To begin, open the Apple App Store if you are using an iPhone, or the Google Play Store if you are using an Android device. In the search bar at the top of the store, type in Phantom Wallet. Once the search results appear, find the app labeled Phantom Wallet and tap on it. After selecting the app, you will see an install button. Tap this button to download the app to your device. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the app, the download may take a few moments. After the app has been installed, locate the Phantom Wallet icon on your home screen and tap to open it. On the welcome screen, you will see an option labeled Create New Wallet. Tap this option to proceed with the wallet creation process. Next, you will need to create a password for your wallet. It is important to make this password strong to protect your assets. Enter your chosen password in the designated field, and then you will be prompted to confirm it by entering it again. Once your password is set, the app will display your secret recovery phrase, which consists of 12 words. It is crucial to write these words down in the exact order they appear. Store them in a secure location and avoid taking screenshots or sharing this information with anyone, as it is essential for recovering your wallet in the future. After you've noted down your recovery phrase, the app will ask you to confirm it. Enter the 12 words in the order they were provided. Once you've done this, tap the confirm button. This step is necessary to verify that you have correctly saved your recovery phrase before finalizing the wallet setup. Your wallet is now fully set up and ready for use. You can start receiving and sending cryptocurrency, swapping tokens, and connecting to various decentralized applications. If you wish to enable additional networks, open the Phantom app, tap on Settings, and then select Active Networks. Here, you can enable networks such as Solana, Ethereum, and Sui to expand your wallet's functionality. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.